and thank you for joining me again. My name is Amanda, and I want to share with you my world through meditation. Massage the Mind Meditations presents to you our Essentially Aromatic Meditation series. With these meditations, you will be gently guided into a relaxed sense meditation to the soothing sounds of our beautiful Solfeggio music. You'll be taken on a journey of our smelling sensory system and subliminally learn about different aromatic herbs and flowers and their healing abilities. Have your journal ready, because as you journey through your smelling sensory system of different essential oils, you will be encouraged to be aware of the thoughts, ideas and feelings that may pop up. At the end of this meditation, you will be given the opportunity to write down anything that came up for you. When you reflect on your writings, you will understand how this particular essential oil can play a part in your spiritual growth. As with all our meditations, at first we learn and then we meditate on what we have heard subconsciously. During the meditation stage, we become aware of ourselves by allowing our mind to clear to nothingness. We can sweep through ourselves with our mind and be present to our emotions, our feelings. Thoughts and ideas may pop into your head. Allow them in, acknowledge them, then let them go to make way for new thoughts, ideas and feelings. When you are fully in this meditative space, I liken this process to your messages from the universe, source, angels or whomever you trust to call upon. So when you are ready, settle in and let's begin. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Get yourself in a comfortable position, either sitting in a comfortable chair with feet flat on the ground or sitting in a lotus position on the floor, or you may prefer to lie down. You can rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Loosen any tight clothing or belts, and you can remove your shoes so the soles of your feet have a connection with the ground. The important thing here is just to do whatever is comfortable for you, and then go ahead and close your eyes. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 2, then exhale completely through your mouth to a count of 6. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 2, then exhale completely through your mouth to a count of 6. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 2, then exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound to a count of 6. Keep this rhythm whilst you hear my words. With every inhale breath, feel the flow of cool, crisp air move in through your nostrils, slowly touching tension you are holding in your body is being pushed out into the atmosphere, softening and smoothing every hair, every nerve ending, every muscle. If your mind wanders and thoughts start popping into your head, or you find yourself chatting to yourself, you may even start compiling a to-do list or start feeling impatient. Just allow these to drift away with your exhale breath and bring your awareness back to your breathing. I'll leave you here for a few minutes to get in the rhythm of this breathing, relaxing your mind, letting go in your body, and focus on the sweet, fresh air caressing your nostrils as you breathe in. Today's essential oil is bergamot. Bergamot relieves feelings of despair, self-judgment, and low self-esteem. It supports individuals in need of self-acceptance and self-love. Bergamot invites individuals to see life with more optimism. Bergamot has a cleansing effect on stagnant feelings and limiting belief systems. Because of core beliefs of being bad, unlovable, and not good enough, they seek to hide behind a facade of cheerfulness. They may fear revealing their true thoughts and feelings. Bergamot's powerful cleansing properties generate movement in the energy system, which in turn brings hope. In this way, bergamot is wonderful for those who feel down and hopeless. It awakens the soul to hope and offers courage to share the inner self, reigniting optimism and confidence in the self. It imparts true self-acceptance. Bergamot teaches individuals to let go of self-judgment by learning to love themselves unconditionally. I will leave you here now to sit and meditate on bergamot. Be aware of your thoughts, ideas, and feelings that may flow through you and let them go. When you hear a chime, I will bring you back to full awakenedness. going to gently wriggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your neck slowly side to side and blink your eyes open. Welcome back. How are you feeling? Now is a great time to take out your journal and make notes on whatever pops into your head. Let your own complete your meditation journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, KORU Lifestylist, and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified of new videos I download. Check out my website, allthingsmeditation.site, for all things meditation like journals, sleep masks, essential oils and diffusers,